So guys, let us continue our cost calculation lecture, where in this section, we will look at how to calculate the location cost. It's a simple calculation and I will walk you through. So what is location cost? It is basically the cost that you would incur if you would need an office. Now, why do you need an office? Well, if you have a product company, then you will need some space to manufacture your products. And if you run a service company or you will need another office, then you will need a physical location where your R&D team, your manufacturing team, your sales people, all of them will need a physical location to come and sit and work. Now for this, you will need an office. And for that, we are calculating a location cost. Now, if you put together, how do you calculate? You have two options. Either you can rent a property or you can buy a property. And I'll give you a third option as well. It's a very simple option. You can work from home. Okay. I will walk you through all three situations and what are the advantages and disadvantages of each option. So let's get started. So if you decide to rent a property, you will have to pay a monthly rent. So you will have to pay a monthly amount to a person who owns the property, and you will pay a monthly amount to that person. Now the advantage is that you will pay a small monthly amount versus if you buy a property, you will have to buy the entire property completely from this same person. Let me give you an example. Let us say you're in Mumbai. And to be more specific, let us talk about a location in Mumbai called Thane. I'm just giving an example. Okay. So if you're in Thane, if you decide to rent a property, then your monthly rental for 1,000 square feet area will be approximately equal to 40,000 rupees. So please understand, for 1,000 square feet area, you would pay 40,000 rupees per month. Now, the same place, if you decide to buy the place, this 1,000 square feet area will cost you at least 1.5 crore rupees. Now, if you see 1.5 crores, let's just put it together. This is what we mean by 1.5 crores. So here, if you look at that, initially in your first year, let us say year number 1, you would pay a total of 40 into 12, which is equal to 4,80,000 rupees. And if you decide to buy the place, you are going to pay 1.5 crore rupees. So initially, if you decide to set up an office, it is always advisable to rent a property versus buying a property. However, there is an advantage to buying a property as well, which is basically if you buy the place is yours. And now with time, please understand this basic point, with time, the cost of property normally goes up. So let us say in year 1, your property was worth 1.5 crore rupees. Now in year 2, this property will be worth 1.6 crore rupees and it keeps increasing and goes up. So when you buy the place, the value of the place goes up. The value of the place goes up. Now the advantage is this becomes an investment for you. So the advantage of buying a property is that you have an investment. But the problem with that is that it increases the initial cost. So the advantage is that you have an investment. This is an advantage. The disadvantage is that it increases the initial cost. Now, when you go to rent the property, the advantage is that you have a low initial cost. So this is an advantage. So it's a low cost. The disadvantage is that you do not have an investment. So this, my friends, is called as a trade-off. Which is the right answer? Well, it depends on you. If you have a lot of money initially, you can go buy a property. If you don't have a lot of money initially, you might want to consider renting the place. Now let us say you have absolutely no money to start an office. Well, then you can set up a small office at your home. The advantage is that it will cost zero money to start. However, the disadvantage is, depending on the space of your home, you will have to check, is it enough to start a company? So again, you can start your company from home. It will cost you 0 rupees in rent, but you will have to check if this space is enough or not. Again, my friends, as I said, this is a trade-off. Okay, guys. So what have we looked at here very carefully? There are 3 options. You can rent a property, or you can buy a property, or you can start your company from home. If you rent a property, the advantage is low cost. The disadvantage is no investment. If you can buy the property, the advantage is you have an investment and that investment keeps going up. The disadvantage is there is a high initial cost, as I mentioned. If you decide to start your company from home, the advantage is no cost. But the disadvantage is you will not have enough space. And that is something which you have to consider. Keeping that in mind, the advisable answer is renting a place versus buying a place. However, if you have the money, you can go buy the place. Okay? If you are starting a services company where you are running the company by yourself, just alone, if you are the only person running the services company, then you can also explore starting your company from home. If it's a one-person company, then I would not recommend renting a property or buying a property. I would just suggest starting the company from home. Okay, guys? So these are the various options. Again, as I told you, it's all about a trade-off. So remember that. So this is about our location cost. I hope you have understood this carefully. We will look at this from different aspects when we do the practicals on Entrepedia. So in the next section, we will look at how to calculate the website cost. In this section, guys, we've looked at another important aspect of cost calculation, which is the location cost. Please go through this lecture again in case you all have any doubts. I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Thank you.